Hi everyone, today we'll be doing question 128 on LeetCode called longest consecutive sequence. So the idea is we're given an unsorted array of integers. We want to find the length of the longest consecutive element sequence, and we want to do this in all of n time. So taking a look at this example here, the longest sequence would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once again, because it's a sequence, it doesn't have to be in any particular order in the original array, it just has to occur. So how do we do this? Well, let's first make a set out of all of this to make sure that the lookup time inside it is O of 1. Then afterwards, we'll try every single value, see if it's the start of a particular sequence of it, and if it is, we'll keep updating the streak until it finishes, and then update our answer. Cool, so let's get started. Let's get our set. Once again, this is because the lookup time for a set is going to be O of 1, so make our program slightly faster. Then let's initialize our result, and then let's iterate through the set. We need to keep track of our current number for where we are, as well as the current streak for our result. So let's say like current number and current streak. Then how do we know if a number is the start of a sequence? Well, we know if a number is the start of a sequence if there isn't a number before it. So for example, 3 can't be the start of the sequence because 2 is inside the set, and because 2 exists, it wouldn't. We would always choose 2 to make the consecutive sequence longer. And since 1 exists, we can't choose 2 as a start because 1 would once again make the consecutive sequence always longer. But since 0 doesn't exist inside our set, that means that we will always have to start with 1 as the beginning of the sequence. So we can say if the set doesn't have the current number that we're iterating over -1, that means it's the start of a sequence. So we can say the current number is the number that we have, and the current streak starts at 1. Then we just iterate through the set. So we can say while the set has the current number +1 to make it consecutive, we just update both. Then finally, we'll just update our result. The streak, and that's it. So let's see if this works. Works just fine, and works just fine. Cool. Runtime of this, since we're making this set is going to be O of n time, and iterating over the set is once again O of n time. So together, this is just O of n. N is the length of our given array. Cool. So with that, I'll put a link to the question as well as my GitHub down below, and I'll see you guys next time.